Hello, in today's video I will show you hidden Parasite service in Windows 10 and Windows 11 that unnecessarily eats up your computer's RAM. Often our computers slow down because of heavy software or background services. But beside those, Windows also runs some hidden services that consume memory without offering any real benefit to most users. In this video, we'll find those services and disable them. Welcome to the channel. Let's get started. Let's get straight to it. Open your computer, Windows 10 or Windows 11. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. A done dialog box will appear. Type services.msc and click OK. In the list of services, scroll down until you find connected user experience and telemetry. From most users, this service isn't necessary. It runs in the background, collects data about how you use Windows, and sends the information to Microsoft or your device manufacturer. Personally, for privacy reasons, I prefer not to share my users' data. On top that, this service constantly uses RAM, which can slow your computer down. Right click on the services and select stop. Then right click it again and choose properties. Under startup type, select disable. Finally click apply, then OK. The second setting also runs in the background and process memory resource. It's enabled by default. Here is how to turn it off. For Windows 10 users, right click the button and open settings. Click update and security. Select delivery optimization from the left hand menu. Then turn allow Windows download from other PC off. When this option is enabled, Windows can upload your download update files to other computer in the background. When this can slow down internet speed and use extra resource. For Windows 11 user, right click the start button and select settings. From the select Windows update option on the left panel, click advanced option. Scroll down and open delivery optimization and turn allow Windows download from other device off. Finally, let's clear Windows cache RAM. Open Google or Microsoft in your browser, search for mmap. Download the mmap utility from the Microsoft official website, then open it. To show you the difference, I will open Task Manager, go to the Performance tab and select Memory. As you can see, my RAM currently using lots of cache memory. Now switch back to the RAM map. Click the empty menu at the top and select empty standby list. Let's check Task Manager again. The cache memory has dropped from the actual number to below the number. That means nearly our memory has been freed up instantly, and this is now available on your application. That's all for today's video. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future update. Thanks for watching.